Namaskar and welcome back to Stat Skin Hub. I'm Dr. Asha Jindal. Today you will learn how to perform manual data entry and how to save and export data file. In my last video, I have spoken about common formats like Excel, CSV and SPSS. This screen display the Excel path, CSV and SPSS paths and how to save your work. This screen display the how to make manual entry and save your data entered file into Jamovi. I will demonstrate it directly through the Jamovi. I will use a standard research questionnaire that includes demographic information and the DAS 21 scale. Could see on the screen that your section has 8 variables under demographic information, whereas section B is based on DAS 21 scale, which includes depression, anxiety, and stress items. As the name suggests, it has 21 statements on 4 levels 0, 1, 2, and 3. Let's begin by opening Jamovi. On Start button, click on Jamovi icon. As you already know, Jamovi works on a SPSS concept. Rows represent participants and column represents variables. We will create the new data file. We will start with the section A, demographic information. First variable is age. For that, I will go to the data, click on setup and enter the age as data variable name. Since age is continuous, measurement types selecting as continuous, data type is integer. Now we move to the next variable. I will enter gender in data variable. It's a nominal and data type is integer. We'll enter the levels in spreadsheet 1, 2, and again go to the setup to define levels. One is male, who is female. After entering these values and defining the level, don't forget to pin them up, pick somewhere outside, and this ensures the levels applied to entire column. You could see I'm entering 1 in gender column. It's applied. Again 1, 2, oh, see it has been applied. Now let's define the next variable, which is marital status. This is also nominal in the level. It has 4 levels 1, 2, 3, 4. To define the levels, I have clicked on setup and I'm defining 1 equal to single, who is married, 3 equals divorced or separated. Fourth is after defining these levels, please pin them up. After pinning, click somewhere outside. It got supplied. Next is qualification, which is ordinal. Enter primary, secondary, graduate, postgraduate, professional degree, PhD. After defining, pin the levels. Similarly, define occupation as a nominal variable. 1 equal to private employee, 2 is government employee, 3 is self-employed or business, 4th is student, 5th is homemaker, 6th is retired. Now, monthly income is ordinal, has 3 categories below 50,000, 50,000 1 to 1 lakh, above 1 lakh 1. Now we will define residence area, which is nominal and data type is text. Similarly, work or study location, measurement type is nominal and data type is text. Now we move to section B, DAS 21 scale. We will create variables E1 to E21. Each is an ordinal variable with the same scale. I will close the data view and come back to spreadsheet. I will define 4 levels: 0, enter, 1, 2, P. I will copy and paste in E2, paste in E3, E4, in E5 and E6. Now I will copy from E2 to E6 and paste in E7 to E11, then again paste in E12 to E16, again paste in E17 to E21. You only need to define these levels once. Now I am selecting all of them. All of them got selected. I will click on setup. Its measurement type is ordinal. Data type is integer. I will define zeros did not apply to me at all, which I can copy directly. Questionnaire 1 equals to applied to me some of the time and paste here. 2 equals to applied to me to a good part of time. 3 is applied to me very much. Do not forget to pin them up so they apply to all columns. You may have seen that it is being applied to all 21 variables. Once all variables are ready, you delete all of them. After deleting all, your sheet is ready. You can enter the data. Simply type the numeric codes 1, 1, 1. You could see that in each column it appears. So 3, 4. If let's say I forgot and I type 5, then what happens? Since this level doesn't exist, it has come 5 itself. This is also the one mistake made by students and researchers. Qualification, you can simply type the numeric values or simply type numeric codes and Jamovi will automatically display the labels. This makes data entry faster and reduces errors. Now, let's save the file. Go to the hamburger menu, click save as this PC. I am naming my research data and browse for location. Let's say I'm saving on the desktop. See, but denied. So I will give some another name and check. Browse, desktop, see. It has saved. You can also export your data by clicking export. Here you could see many formats are there. CSV, LaTeX, R objects, SPSS, SAS, Stata. I'm choosing CSV format. Export. It was denied. So let's try once again. Export, research data, browse, desktop, save as CSV. See, yes. Before ending, always remember, check variable type, levels, ensure proper coding, and avoid not pinning levels, incorrect variable types, and wrong coding. This will make your analysis smooth and error-free. Thank you and see you in the next session.